Hello my friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all having a great day. Today I am going to do it's a mini review try-on, okay? And the product that I am going to talk about is something that I showed you most recently, and it is the Color Wow Dreamcoat Supernatural Spray. Lisa D1 actually sent this to me because she likes it so much, so I thought I would go ahead and test it for you. And I only did it on one side of my hair, and then the other side I did with a product that I've used before by Schwarzkopf called Osis+. It's a session label. It's a Miracle 15 type of cream, and I wanted to see how I know how this product works on my hair, so I wanted to see how this one worked in comparison. I think already just looking at my hair, I can actually see that there is a beautiful glow to this side. My hair has a pretty good shine to it on this side, but there is something special about this side so far. So I will point that out, and I chose to go with it just blow dried, and I round brushed it. That is it. And I round brushed it this way instead of over, because I wanted it to be more flat to my head instead of round brushed with some fullness, okay? And I am going to take my dogs on a 4-mile walk in humid weather with all this makeup on, because I just did a tutorial, and people are going to look at me like I'm a crazy person. But I wanted to be able to come back after being outside for quite a while. I think we're actually waiting for some pretty heavy rain, so I wanted to see how this really worked, okay? So I thought I would just tell you a little bit about the product. It does cost $28. It's available at colorwowhair.com, Derm Store, Overstock.com, and Walmart.com. And it does say that it's at Ulta. And at Ulta for 6.7 ounce, that's this size, they show it at $20.97. So I don't know if they're phasing it out at Ulta, but it normally runs $28. And I have the ingredient list here, and it's a little different from other products. But this product, they say, it's called their Supernatural Spray, magically transforms texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. Now I will say, my hair feels fabulous. My hair feels really good with the Schwarzkopf also, but it really does feel, it's very silky looking to me. And okay, so the ingredients. This one has a polysilicone 29, and this creates humidity resistant matrix on the hair surface. So it's like a matrix that's formed on the hair because of this silicone. And then there's a silicone quaternium 18, which detangles and conditions. And I washed my hair with Monat's, I'll put it in an intake. I'll put down below what I prepped my hair with, meaning what I washed it with and conditioned it with, because I tried to stay just basic with everything. Okay, so, but it did, when I sprayed it on, as you'll see in the clip, you just spray it on in sections, but it did detangle, but I did use a conditioner before it, because I always use a conditioner. If I had not used one, I'm not sure how it would have detangled. Perhaps I'll try that some other time. And then it has Chamomilla rescuta mataricaria, which is a flower extract. And this one here is said to protect the hair. Color, okay, so that's important. And then calendula is another flower extract that provides moisture with this product. So I will say that my hair feels very moist. It's not dry at all. And okay, so the key benefits of this product: it is heat activated with polymers that works to compress, tighten, and seal the hair strands. I think that's really interesting. And then it says the hair is supernaturally sleek and smooth and super silky. So looking at it, I will say I do feel that this side is a little bit smoother than the Oasis. And the Oasis is one of those 19, like it's a 10, it's a 19, that kind of thing. But it works okay. And then it sheaths every strand in a light, imperceptible raincoat that repels moisture. So I am going outside, and I think I may even get caught in a little drizzle. I do think I will, and I'm doing it purposely, okay? It says it's unlike typical humidity guard serums. Dreamcoat will not build up, weigh hair down, or make it greasy. It did not weigh my hair down. As you can see, it looks the same as the other side, and it is not greasy at all. Okay, it says hair should be sprayed liberally, as I'm showing you, with Dreamcoat and activated with a blow dryer for optimal results. And they suggest that you use no other styling products before this. So you do not, the only thing that's on here is I shampoo, condition, and then I sprayed liberally Dreamcoat. Nothing else is on the hair. It says that this is excellent for frizzy hair. It does have keratin in it, which keratin products for me, I don't use them on a regular basis because I already have dry hair, and sometimes I feel that using a keratin product will make your hair a little brittle from time to time. So if you're somebody that does really love using this, make sure that you're using a mask once a week to put hydration back into your hair, and also that you're using very moisturizing products. And it is fragrance-free, gluten-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and oil-free, okay? So all you do is you apply it after you shampoo, spray it on liberally, and blow dry. So I'm gonna head out and I'm gonna do a couple of things that I need to do, like walk my dog, and then I'm going to maybe do some laundry and stuff like that, and come back and let you see my hair in about, I'd say 2 hours or so, okay? So, and everything will be listed and linked below that I've talked about, okay? So I will be back with you, my friends. Hang tight. Let's go walk them crazy doodles. Okay, my friends, I am back. I have done all the poop scooping in the yard. I did some laundry, and then I headed out on a 3.5 mile walk with the girls. And I wanted to tell you what our weather is today. It is, un momento, we have 75 degrees, and it is with 73% humidity. So, this is what happened with my hair. Now this line says that this humidity-proof formula will keep your hair smooth for 72 hours or for between 2 to 3 shampoos, and then you reapply after 2 or 3 shampoos. Okay, so for me, it did not protect me from poofing out, and I don't think there was much of a difference from this side to this side. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and blow dry my hair again on this side to see if it smooths it down, if the heat will reactivate the humidity wall of steel. Okay, so I am back. I went and blow dried my hair again, and it does smooth it back down. And it has incredible shine, and my hair still feels soft compared to the way my hair frizzes with other products. So it does work really well at not weighing down the hair. It does cut the frizz right away. It kind of looks like you had a mini keratin treatment. But I was out, I don't normally wear makeup when I exercise either, but I wanted to, there's a reason. I never wear makeup when I exercise. But anyway, I did sweat, and underneath, when I start to get sweaty, my hair will frizz underneath, and it just keeps getting bigger and bigger, and that's what happened on this side. But you can smooth it down, so I can see where it would work a couple days if you're somebody who doesn't wash your hair every day. Now, what'll be interesting is I would like to see how this works with my hot rollers. So at some point I will use it with my hot rollers, and then I will go ahead and the day I do it, I'll let you know in a video, all right? All right, so that's it for me. The wow is really worth trying if you're somebody that is looking for something to really make your hair look healthy. I mean, my hair does look really great, and it has great shine. It's very, very soft, and it's not weighed down at all. And you know me, I hate products that weigh my hair down or that I can feel on the hair. This feels like absolutely nothing. But like my menopause, my frizz was a little bit more than the wow could handle, okay? But it's really, it is a pretty decent product, okay? So thanks for stopping by. let us know in the comments if you're using any of the other wow products. You know, perhaps they have a beautiful oil that you put on afterwards. I might have to look into these products. I've not seen them anywhere locally. I know Derm Store does have them because I've seen them on there. But let us know in the comments if you're using any of the other products and if they all work really well together, okay? Okay, so that's it from me. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe. We are living life here. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.